Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our backend interview question session. Now first we are going to explore the Node.js interview question. First question, what is the difference between blocking IO and non-blocking IO? Why is it significant? Blocking IO synchronous, the code stops and waits for an operation like reading a file or a database query to finish before moving to the next line. If the file is used, the whole application freezes. Next, non-blocking IO asynchronous. The code sends the request easy read file and immediately moves to the next line without waiting. When the file is ready, a callback function handles the result. Significance. This is why Node.js is fast. It does not waste time waiting. It keeps working on other tasks while heavy operations run in the background. Question number 2. What is the event loop in Node.js and what are its key features? The event loop is the mechanism that allows Node.js to perform non-blocking IO operation despite being signal threaded. It consistently checks the call stack where code runs and the callback queue. Key feature. If the call stack is empty, the event loop pushes waiting tasks like API response of timers from the queue to the stack to be executed. Question 3. What is the difference between NPM and yarn? Where and when should they be used? Okay, both are package manager for JavaScript. NPM Node Package Manager, the default tool that comes installed with Node.js Yarn, created by Facebook to solve some early performance and security issue of NPM. It is often faster and installs packages in parallel. Use NPM is simplicity and compatibility. It is everywhere. Use Yarn if you are working on massive project where install speed and offline caching are critical. Real-time use, perfect for chat apps, live sports update, or multiplayer games where speed is critical. Okay, next question from Express.js. First question, what are the use of next function? The next function is a callback that tells Express, I am done with this middleware, pass the request to the next middleware function in the stack. If you don't call next, the request will hang and the user will see a loading spinner forever. Okay, next question. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using middleware? Advantage, reusability, write auth logic once, use everywhere, separation of concern, and cleaner code. Disadvantages, if too many middleware functions are sent, it can slow down the request. It can also be hard to debug the order of execution. Next question, what is the life cycle of Express middleware and how does it work? First, request received. The server gets an HTTP request, middleware stack. Express goes through the registered middleware function in the order they were written. Processing each middleware can modify data or validation router handler. Eventually, it reaches the actual route responses. The handler sends data back to the client. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.